Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious pork katsudon. We will begin by gathering all our essential ingredients, including a nice pork loin, fresh eggs, and crunchy panko breadcrumbs. Next, prepare your pork cutlets by tenderizing them evenly and seasoning them well. Finally, set up your dredging station with flour, egg wash, and panko for the perfect coating. This initial preparation is key for a fantastic meal. Now, let's create that irresistible crispy tonkatsu. First, dredge your prepared pork cutlets thoroughly, ensuring they are fully coated in flour, egg, and panko. Next, heat your cooking oil to precisely 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the cutlets into the hot oil and fry each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. You're looking for a beautiful golden brown color and a perfectly cooked interior. With our tonkatsu ready, it's time to craft the heart of our katsudon, the savory sauce. In a small saucepan, combine dashi, soy sauce, mirin, and a touch of sugar. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Then, add your sliced onions and let them cook until they are wonderfully tender and translucent. This creates a rich and aromatic base. The final step is assembling your magnificent katsudon bowl. Carefully place a freshly fried tonkatsu cutlet into the simmering sauce with the tender onions. Next, pour 2 lightly beaten eggs evenly over the tonkatsu and onions. Cover the pan and cook for approximately 1 minute, just until the eggs are softly set to your liking. Serve this incredible dish immediately over a generous bed of hot steamed rice. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.